Yeah, yeah. Work with the cell phone.
Eso, Elba, ¿todo bien?
You must close.
Sí, sabes, más que todos los viajeros.
So we're gonna start on the kilometer 82 and we're gonna walk 6 hours to the first stop, and the last day we're gonna do a morning hike rise to Machu Picchu.
One, two, three. You say Machu Picchu.
Machu Picchu!
I need to teach you my culture, my religion. This is the connection with the spirit, with the monk. For example, you chew a coca, wow, you need to chew it like a llama.
It's our first ruins that we see. I don't know the name, but it looks beautiful.
How the Incas joined the stones. Yeah, thanks to the cactus juice. Eh? Look this. This was the glue. Yeah, the pigment. Wahaikuna means brother, Panaikuna sisters.
So let's go, brothers. Huh?
Yeah, Haku, Wahaikuna, Panaikuna.
Eso.
Oh, in a soup?
Spicy. You like them?
Okay, let's do it. Haku.
Haku!
It's gonna be fine.
Thank you so much, for visit our country. Thanks this guy, it's possible to do it, this beautiful Inca Trail, Now is the moment I need to introduce our chef.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Jesús, tengo 51 años.
51 years old, Jesus. This guy is from Calca, along the Secret Valley. He's carrying the gas propane.
Soy de México.
Okay, Mexico manta, país. This is the really good hot chocolate.
Compared to
Pumpkin.
and the frog. Can you give me the water? She said, okay, we're walking short of the church. She needs in the tent, and then we'll be.
Yeah, let's do it today. Haku.
Haku! Okay, day 2 is supposed to be one of the hardest because we're gonna go uphill for a couple of hours. Eso.
Bought myself an Oreo, some Oreos. And I repassed them.
So, how do you feel?
Feels good. Finally adapting to altitude.
Yeah, after 2 days, it's true. Hello. Hello.
Sin azúcar está.
Bravo, bravo. Nos vemos, nos vemos.
So apparently everything that we're gonna start walking from now, it's part of the original Inca Trail. It's gonna be more raw and adventurous.
It'll expand your lungs.
Oh wow.
After all this,
Konnichiwa.
Hiram Bingham, no, from United States. He discovered Machu Picchu in 1911. 4 years later, he explored more. Warmi Wanyuska means dead woman pass, no? It's located over there.
It's tiring.
Sayakmarka means inaccessible town because the steeper steps. Yeah, this is a beautiful town. I love it. Love. This was a religion and military place.
So the water went there.
The run there. Here.
Like we got the sun over there and the clouds. It's just beautiful. Like we were so lucky.
I don't know.
This is our Inca toilet. We're gonna open this one. And voila.
Or was it just? Yes. Either.
That is a planet. That guy is pointing. That is a planet. The star, yeah, it's a moving or shaking.
Wow, what do we got today? Attack. What? I'm gonna get an orange. Look at this beauty. Lama.
I couldn't wait for the day 3. This is gonna be my favorite day.
Hola. Hey. Yeah, this is like plain
Now
Zelda.
we're in a cloud forest.
I know.
For the car, anybody? Do you want? The Spaniards never found Machu Picchu. That is the reason again we don't see the European buildings in here. The Incas never finished it to build in here.
Nice.
I think I can hit your belly. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou.
The greenhouse, because there are plants from here in Cusco. How the Incas acclimated. thanks to the each platform.
Made it to Huayna. That's no? Woman should know too that it's not easy to take a shower here in the Inca Trail, you know?
Yeah, we every night. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah, that's she's doing a one night to Machu Picchu, and we just find her just also before hours. So
What happened? You come late, around 5 p.m.
this is so cool.
Today we call this Inca site Huayna Huayna. Yeah, Huayna Huayna means forever young.
What are you thinking about now?
Nice.
¿Sirvas es torta?
Yeah, thank you.
Ya, jefe.
Gracias.
Gracias. Te va a cantar,
On behalf of the group, we would like to say a very thank you from the heart. And even though we're out in the nature, we feel very much appreciated and good taken care of for you. Very good. Yeah.
No, coca tea nomás, coca.
Yeah, waiting for 2 hours on the entrance because they open at 5:30. We have everyone.
This is the Gringo Killer.
How was it?
It was good. Tiring.
Yeah. Mira. Three amigos.
Mosquitoes.
Three mosquitoes. That's a good one. Slowly.
This is what we would be
We got the view Machu Picchu. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's a bit cloudy, but still.
Welcome to Machu Picchu. Welcome, no, my second house. Probably the original name was Llactapata, top town. Probably this was the original name. Machu Picchu means old mountain.
I'm gonna walk this mountain, the Huayna Picchu. It takes like an hour to get there.
Emerged from Plato's cave.
Sving, og begynder at tage billeder af det. Nej, perfekt.
Oh my god.
Buen trabajo, buen trabajo. Yeah, please, this is thanks your energy, the positive energy, thanks.
Okay.
Oh, I guess I have to go upstairs.
Yeah. We were quick and we were the first, so we could buy the group picture.
Oh, the group picture. Hey, thank you for watching. That was the 4 days Inca Trail hike to Machu Picchu.
Before I tell you more, I did this hike with a peace of mind thanks to Safety Wing Nomad's insurance. They completely revamped their claim process to make it even more user-friendly and efficient. Now you can start claim with their new simple form in as little as 5 minutes and get reimbursed in 2.7 days. And they just added new features that include coverage for adventure sports and electronic theft. So if you want to go to Peru and do this hike, I will definitely recommend you to get the Safety Wing Nomad insurance. I'm going to put the QR code here or the links in the description. So if we pan out on the map, this is Peru and this is Lima. You usually arrive here in an international flight, and then you get a flight from Lima all the way to the small town of Cusco, and that's where they're gonna pick you up and they're gonna take you. It takes around 2 hours to drive and get to the first part of the Inca Trail. This is the kilometer 104. And fun fact, I went to Machu Picchu 10 years ago and I tried to replicate the picture, but you can see the conditions were a little bit different. But when I went there 10 years ago, my tour guide was this guy called Elder Walpa, and I contacted him, so this hike that I did, it was with him. He has a company called Katawi Tours. They have all the information about the tour. Unfortunately, the website right now is in Spanish, but they do speak fluent English, so don't worry about that. But there are other many like agencies online that you can just do everything before arriving there, because this is a very demanded hike, so you should better like book it in advance. And now talking about logistics, these tours includes you all the equipment, but if you need something extra like a bigger jacket or like a bigger, you know, like sleeping bag, there's so many stores in Cusco, you're gonna find anything that you want, so don't worry about that. And also there's some porters that brings everything with them, and they set the tent and everything. You don't have to do anything about that, but you can actually hire like a proper private porter for you if you want to even bring more things, but that's of course with additional cost. So for sleeping, there's several options. They're gonna ask you beforehand and they're gonna organize everything. But let's say you have a private tour, so everybody is gonna have their own tent. So there's no electricity on most of the hike days because we're in the wild, so I recommend you to get a power bank. I got a big one because I was charging my camera, my phone and other things. So for the hygiene, well, we had these Inca toilets that are a little bit noisy, and for showers, like it's cold showers, so not everybody liked that, and most of us like we just waited till the last day or went to the hot springs at the end. You can do this hike as a family, but if you had a baby, like that will be very difficult. Instead, if you have like a 10-year or older kids, it's gonna be better because the hike it's moderate to difficult level. The best season to go is from April all the way to December because there's not much rain, and we went at the start of April, but I think it was fine. You know, we have all the seasons and a little bit of rain, a little bit of a cloud. And for the cost, it depends if you go private or if you go with other people, but you will spend minimum $700 to more, and you're gonna add more if you have like a private porter and you got other amenities. So it's not a cheap hike. And lastly, I want to let you know that there's different hikes to Machu Picchu. I did the classic 4-day, but it's also like 2 days. That's how I met my friend Maria the last day before arriving to Machu Picchu. There's also the Salcantay Trek that goes through the mountains that we saw on the second day. There's the Choquiricao Trek, and there's also the Inca Jungle Trek. And this is another fun fact. The first video that I ever made, it was this 10 years ago with my friend Steph from Canada. So shout out to Steph. As you can see, this was my attempt to create my first video 10 years ago. And if you like this video, give it a like, write me a comment what you think about it. And I have some videos living in Lima and Cusco, Peru. Just check the links down below. And don't forget to get your nomad insurance with Safety Wing. Here's the QR code. Alright, see you in the next one. Ciao.